cooked, cleaned, wanted. All the three words end in ed, but the sounds of ed ending are different. Learning how to pronounce of the ed ending. Number 1. If the last spoken sound is p, like p, okay? P, p. So when adding ed, the sound of ed is t, like help to helped, jump to jumped, stop, stopped. Number 2. The ending sound of the base verb is k, 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 like cake. For example, book, booked, look, looked, work, worked. Number 3. The ending sound of the base verb is f, f, like f, okay? F. For example, laugh, laughed, cough, coughed, sniff, sniffed. Number 4. The ending sound of the base verb is s, s. For example, kiss, kissed, miss, missed, dance, danced, ice, iced. Number 5. The ending sound of the base verb is sh, sh, sh. For example, wash, washed, wish, wished, brush, brushed. Number 6. The ending sounds of the base verb is ch, ch, ch. Okay, clearly, ch, ch. For example, watch, watched, match, matched. Number 7. The ending sound of the base verb is x, x, x. Normally x at the end, like fix, fixed, tax, taxed, relax, relaxed.